Are you wasting precious time filling your brain with junk? Imagine. Every scroll, every headline, every click feels like you're keeping up, but are you actually learning anything worthwhile? Here's why feeding your mind with empty, canned chatter could be sabotaging your growth, and how to break free. Think about it. With so much information bombarding us from all directions, how often do we stop to question what we're consuming? Now imagine just following one news source without a second thought. Sure, it's easier, but what's the cost? The cost is our own mental discipline, because when we rely on these ready-made answers, we stop thinking for ourselves. This leads to something Crowley calls mental laziness, the habit of letting others decide what's true, meaningful, or important. And honestly, who wants their mind to be on autopilot? Ever met someone who believes everything they read? Don't be that person. But there's good news. Every time we choose to engage with complex, thought-provoking content, we're training ourselves. Picking up a challenging book or delving into a different perspective is like a workout for our brain. Sure, it's uncomfortable at first, but isn't that the point? Growth rarely feels like comfort. Think about it. What if every time you avoided an easy headline, you became a little more disciplined? Every time you sat with a challenging idea, you're building resilience. Imagine the difference in who you'd be after a year of that. So next time, don't just pick up cat memes weekly. Here's the truth. Self-discipline isn't just about hitting the gym or staying organized. It's about feeding your mind with ideas that demand focus, that make you question, that push you forward. When you actively choose intellectual challenge over convenience, you're transforming how you approach everything. And if you're ready to stop the cycle of feeding on canned chatter, start asking, what am I truly feeding my mind today? Because in the end, what you read might just shape who you become. Don't settle for easy. Choose meaningful challenges and watch how that discipline reflects in every area of your life. Ready to begin?